So in section 13, we are returning to lists. We can see here that we have a backpack and we have a number of items in that backpack. And we're asked to remove one of those items, the dagger item. So if you remember how to add, it's actually very similar to adding to a list. We used the append method when we wanted to add a new item to the list, and we would just simply write what we wanted to add. In this case, we're not adding, we are removing. So instead of append, we're going to type the keyword remove, and we are being asked to remove the dagger. So we just simply type that in and run.